everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieved the look then go ahead and keep on watching. And if you guys want to be entered in this month's giveaway, then make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, make sure that you hit that bell button, turn your post notifications on, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel, and then comment down below if you are located in the United States to be automatically entered. To prime my eyes, I used my Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer, and I used a lighter shade because I am using it as a base, so I used the shade Cotton Candy, and I just applied it all over my eyelid as a primer, and then I blended it out with a damp beauty sponge, and then I went ahead and set everything with some translucent powder. The eyeshadow palette that I went in with is the Give It To Me Straight palette from ColourPop, and this is what it looks like on the inside. It's a really good wearable palette. The first shade that I went in with is Truth Hurts, and I picked that shade up with a fluffy blending brush, and I just put that shade in my crease as my transition shade, just going in back and forth motions just to warm it up before going in with deeper eyeshadows. Next, I went in with the shade Frank, and I picked that up with a defined angled brush, and that's just so that I could have more specific placement of where I'm applying the shade. And I actually applied it a little bit above my actual crease so that when I open my eye, you can see the shades in my crease, whether my eye is open or closed. And then I went back into the shade Truth Hurts, and I picked it up with the same brush that I previously went in with, and I just went in circular motions just to blend that line out. And then to add depth on the outer part of the lid, I just applied those same two shades, just feathering it inwards. I went in with Truth Hurts, and then I went in with Frank, and I just first went in the very outermost edge on the lid, and then when I barely had any product left on my brush, I started to taper it inwards. And then on my lid, I decided to not clean it up with concealer. Instead, I went in with this Jelly Much eyeshadow in the shade Origami from ColourPop, and this is what it looks like. It's a really nice foiled yellow shade, and I just packed that all over the inner part of my lid, and because it is a thick type of eyeshadow consistency, I felt like I didn't need to clean up the lid with concealer first. And then I went in with my NYX glitter primer and my Anastasia Beverly Hills gold glitter. I'll leave the link to this glitter in the description box down below. I'll actually leave the link to all the products that I used in this video, but I just applied that glitter directly over top of that yellow shade. And for lashes, I went in with our Sofie lashes in the style Bahama. I'll leave a link in the description box down below as well if you guys want to check out our lash brand. We are currently still shipping orders, so if you're interested in our lashes, definitely check it out. And then I went in with the same shades that we put in my crease, and I just applied this to the lower lash line just to make sure that everything is nice and cohesive. And the last thing that I did was I applied some lower lash mascara just to finish off the look. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!